See here students, you people have to learn about the types of oscillations. There are mainly three types, that is free oscillation, damped oscillation and forced oscillation. So free oscillations are the oscillations that appear in a system that is due to single initial deviation, that is from the stable equilibrium position. And the free oscillations are the oscillations of the body which remains unaffected by the external forces. And the frequency of free oscillation is called as natural frequency. So natural frequency is the frequency with which the pendulum oscillates freely on its own when the no resistive forces are acting on it. Example for this it is oscillation of simple pendulum in vacuum, vibration of excited tuning fork in vacuum, vibration of string instruments in vacuum, etc. And equation for motion, that is for free oscillation, is considered as d square y divided by dt square plus k by m into y is equal to 0, where m is the mass and k is considered as force constant, y is displacement at any instant of time t. So next learn about what is that damped oscillation. So it is the motion that is executed by the body that is subjected to the combined action of both the restoring and resistive forces, and the motion always gets terminated with the body that is coming to a rest at the equilibrium position in a finite interval of time. Example for this it is considered as mechanical oscillation of a simple pendulum and electrical oscillations in an LC circuit. So next you people have to learn about the theory of damped vibration. For that you have to consider here the body of mass m that is executing here oscillation in a resistive medium. So vibrations are damped, that is due to the resistive force offered by the medium. Resistive forces are proportional to the velocity, that is in the opposite direction. So that's why consider now resistive force is equal to minus r dx divided by dt. Consider here this as equation number 1, where r is damping constant and dx by dt is considered as velocity of the vibrating body which is acted upon by restoring force whose magnitude is proportional to displacement, and resulting force is considered as here minus of kx. So consider this as equation number 2. Next